It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece. So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you. Meow, 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 meow.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I can use my magic
Aha.
wand, make everything big and super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand, make me big and super wow. Yay! Huh? I'm so
Wow.
big, it's like a dream. Everything is so
Something is inside the bushes.
What is it?
Is a big bad wolf. I will catch you. Ho ho ho.
Click, 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 go, go, go. Run away, the wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows, blows, blows. Everything that's in his way. Run away, the wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows, blows. When we're at the airport, it's so much fun. I can't wait to catch the plane and fly in the sky. Ouchie, ouchie, what was that? A ball is bouncing everywhere. Hey, sorry, that's my ball. It kept bouncing on the floor. Daddy, where are you? Help me, please. Woohoo!
Oh, yes. Oh, dear. How am I going to fix this one? My first patient, and I'm stuck already. I'm not going to be much of a vet at this rate, am I? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Baby animals are different to the grown-up animals, yes. And puppy Dalmatians are born without any spots. It's okay. They're not supposed to have any spots.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes, it's okay. Just take them home, treat them well, and wait for the spots. They'll turn up all right.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Vet. I feel much better now. Did you hear that, boys? The lovely vet here said your spots will arrive soon.
Oh, lovely. Aren't they sweet? Well, off you go then.
Oh, thank you, Doctor.
Yeah.
I mean, vet. Lovely. I'm the mother.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Yes, one happy customer.
Sid, can you come here, please? I need your help, quickly.
What's going on here? Come in.
I'm sure I had it here somewhere. Things just keep disappearing. Oh, there you are. It's bad news, I'm afraid.
Oh, dear. What?
There's trouble down at the farm. Trouble at the farm? Yes, thank you, Bird. Now, we need someone to go down there right away.
Okay, leave it to me.
There you go. And take this with you, too.
Oh, right. What's it for?
It's for carrying animals in, just in case you need it. Carrying animals?
Leave it to me.
Oh, you funny bird. Funny bird, squawk.
Let's play.
Right, here we are. It's nice to get out in some fresh air. What a beautiful day. It's quite hot, though. Whew.
Ah, hello. You must be the vet. I'm Fran the farmer. Thanks for coming so quickly.
Nice to meet you, Fran. Yeah, no problem at all.
It's Perky.
What is?
My pig.
Your pig is Perky. Oh, that's his name, Perky, right.
She's very unhappy. I think it might have something to do with this warm weather. She hasn't been running around like she usually does.
This pig definitely looks too hot. What can we do? Give her some ice? Let her have a swim around? Oh, hold on, I remember, do you? Pigs keep cool by rolling around in the mud. Fran, this pig needs mud. Lots of it, and make it sloppy.
Mud? Well, it's been so hot here recently that all the mud is baked solid. No sloppy mud at all.
Oh, no. What can we do? I know. Follow me. Fran, your pig is too hot. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, of course. We can spray the mud with the water and make it sloppy.
Exactly. We need to find some mud. Now, when I shout, will you please turn on the hose?
Gotcha.
Mud, mud, mud. Ah, one hole full of mud, but all baked nice and hard. This needs water. OK, Fran, switch it on.
Right.
That's it. Great. One hole full of mud getting nice and sloppy. You can switch it off now, Fran. What's she doing? Oh, great. She's fallen asleep. Fran. Fran. Fran!
Oh, next one. Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I was calling you to turn off the tap.
Oh, right, yes, of course, sorry. Oh, it's so hot, I must have dropped off.
Right, but we need to get this pig. Oh, into that mud over there.
Right,
Where's she gone?
Oh, Perky.
Hello, Perky.
Oh, maybe she's back over there.
Perky? Perky!
Ooh, Perky.
Perky, Perky, Perky!
Here, Perky, 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 Perky.
Perky? I can't see her anywhere.
No, she's completely vanished.
Perky!
Perky? Where are you, Perky?
Perky, Perky, Perky!
Here, Perky, Perky, Perky. Oh, she's not here either.
First we had a sick pig, now we've got a missing pig. I don't think I've been much help, have I?
Oh, not to worry. I'm sure she'll turn up when she wants to. She usually does. Oh, well, thanks for your help anyway.
Oh, that's no problem, Fran. I'm sorry I couldn't have been more help.
Take care.
See ya. Bye. Oh, hold on. What's this? Fran!
Yes?
Come here. I found Perky!
Perky!
Oh, and she's much happier now.
Oh, look at her enjoying that mud.
Let's play.
Well, thank you so much for coming.
No problem at all, Fran. Well, I better be going now then.
Oh, there was just one other thing.
What's that?
Well, it's a stray cat I keep seeing around here. I wondered if you could take it away with you and give it a good home.
A stray cat, you say? Well, what does it look like?
Well, it's black and white with a white tip on the end of its tail.
Well, I haven't seen a cat fitting that description, but I will have a good look around. Don't worry, if there is one, I will spot it.
Right you are. Thanks very much.
OK, well, I better be going. Oh. Funny. All right, then. See you.
Nice to have met you.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's play.
Where is it? I had it about 2 minutes ago. Oh, sit your back. Now, you haven't seen my pencil sharpener, have you?
No, I've been down on the farm.
OK. Anyway, you've got one more patient to see.
Show me the way.
Just through the surgery. She's got a dog, Poochie.
Right, let's do it. Hello, Poochie.
No, my name's Snippet. Mrs. Snippet. It's my dog that's called Poochie.
Yes,
It's a disaster. A complete disaster. Poochie is very unhappy. Aren't you, Poochie? Very unhappy.
Oh, dear. What seems to be the problem?
Well, all his friends came round for his birthday party. And then Poochie had some lovely chocky-wocky birthday cake. Didn't you, my little soldier? And now he isn't very well.
So what can we do? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Yes, the wrong kind of food can be bad for an animal. The chocolate that we like to eat isn't good for our pet dogs. It's the chocolate cake you gave him.
Oh, well, he does rather like it.
Yes, but our kind of chocolate isn't good for animals.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Poochie Woochie Pie. Mummy didn't mean to make you sick on your birthday. Well, thank you very much.
No problem, Mrs. Snippet. All you need to do now is give him plenty of water and the right kind of dog food from now on.
OK, I will. I promise.
Good. Right. Well, I think that's me done. All patients seen.
Let's play.
Well, I did it. I managed to look after all the animals that needed my help.
Yes, there's only this parrot left.
Well, he looks quite happy to me. What's wrong with him?
Oh, nothing. He's the office pet.
Oh, Patrick, look, in the cage, your pencil sharpener.
Oh, yes. And my watch. I wonder how that got in there. Well, now, you see, some birds, like that parrot, can be attracted to shiny objects like buttons and sequins. And even your pencil sharpener and watch. Oh, you better get them out. Oh, look. There's shiny buttons, hair clips, everything. Oh, no wonder I couldn't find anything.
Oh, can I have that button, please? I know someone who could really use it.
What, this one? Yes, of course. There you go.
Thanks.
Hold on a minute. Did that bird just meow?
Yeah, I think it did.
No, wait a minute. It came from over there.
Oh, there's a cat in here.
Yes, so there is.
It's black and white. That's like the stray that was missing on the farm that Fran wanted me to find a home for. I think it must have popped in there while I wasn't looking.
Oh, yes. He's very cute, but very shy. He won't come out. Here, puss, 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 puss.
Here, puss, 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 puss.
No, he won't even pop his head out.
Oh, hold on. That fish biscuit. Maybe it's a cat biscuit. Let's see if I can tempt him out with this. Come on in, puss, 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 puss. Look, little biscuit. Ah, yes. Oh. What should we do with him? Fran says he's a stray and needs to find a new home.
Well, I was wondering if I could take him home to live with me. He's very cute.
That's a lovely idea. I think you'd give him a good home and you'd look after him properly.
Yes, well, I know how to look after him all right. I do work in a vet's after all.
Of course. Well, being a vet was completely brilliant, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Pigs cool themselves by rolling around in the mud. Fully grown Dalmatian dogs have spots, but their puppies are born without them. And the chocolate that we like to eat is not good for a dog.
Well, it's been lovely having you here, Sid. You've been a brilliant vet.
Thanks, Patrick. And I think it's time we went home. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.